I'm questioning a doctor in his medical malpractice deposition during pretrial testimony. You want to know why I'm doing everything I can to push this doctor's buttons? Come join me as I share with you this remarkable information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. There's a key strategic reason why I'm doing this. Now, you should know that when an injured victim brings a lawsuit seeking compensation for the harms and losses she suffered because of a doctor's carelessness, I will have an opportunity during the litigation process to question this doctor under oath in his attorney's office. Now, that's known as a deposition or an examination before trial. But there's a key reason why. I want to find out how this doctor does when I antagonize him. I want to find out what's going to happen to him when I push his buttons and try and get him riled up. You want to know the reason why I'm doing that? Because I want to see how he's going to react to these types of questions, because 2 years down the road, when our case gets to trial, that's exactly how he's going to react when we get in front of a jury. And now I will have knowledge that will help me understand how best to question this doctor at the time of trial. So, for example, I'm going to question this doctor and ask him key questions about violating the basic standards of medical care. I want to know from the doctor what he did and why. What was his rationale? What were you thinking? And then I'm going to have him establish what the standards of care were for this particular situation. And then I'm also going to have him explain to me why he may have violated the basic standards of care, why he departed from good medical care. Now, many times I'm not going to confront the doctor head on. Instead, I'm going to do it in a roundabout way that sets up a foundation, asks an entire series of questions that lays the foundation to get me to the ultimate question. Doctor, assuming that you did not do X, Y, and Z, would you agree that's a violation from the standard of care? Yes or no? And now I'm going to ask the doctor pointed questions. I want to see how he responds to rapid-fire questions. I want to see how he responds to me when I ask him pointed questions and he gets very defensive. I want to see if he's cool and calm, or does he get upset? Does he get angry? Does he lose his cool? These are all important strategic things for me to learn as I'm questioning the doctor during the course of his pretrial testimony. Even though I'm trying to push the doctor's buttons in a very subtle way, I am always respectful, because I personally find that being polite, being respectful, generates a different response than if I was to come out and be obnoxious, to be nasty, to be arrogant. In my opinion, that has no place whatsoever during the pretrial process or even in front of a jury at trial. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own possible medical malpractice matter, or your accident matter, or your wrongful death matter. And you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit, but before you choose to do that, you need more information. Well, the best way to get that is to pick up the phone and call me if you have legal questions. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.